Hello children, today I am going to discuss about volume of a cuboid and cube. Recall that volume of a solid is the measure of a space occupied by it. Formulae for finding volume of a cuboid and cube. Number 1, volume of a cuboid equal to length into breadth into height, represented by L into B into H. Number 2, volume of a cube equal to side into side into side equal to side cube, also represented as a cube. Now we will clarify the formulae by some examples. Example 1. Find the volume of a cuboid which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3.5 meter high. Solution: we have L is equal to 8 meter, B is equal to 6 meter and H is equal to 3.5 meter given. Therefore, the volume of a cuboid equal to L into B into H equal to 8 into 6 into 3.5 equal to 168 meter cube. This is our answer. Example 2. Find the volume of a cube, each of whose sides measures 8 centimeter. Solution: we have side equal to 8 centimeter given, so volume of a cube equal to side cube equal to 8 centimeter cube is equal to 512 centimeter cube. This is our answer. Now example 3. The volume of a rectangular tank is 182 meter cube if its length and breadth be 8 meter and 6.5 meter respectively. Find its depth. Solution: length of the tank equal to 8 meter given. Breadth of the tank is equal to 6.5 meter. Let the depth of the tank be x meter. Then the volume of the tank equal to 8 into 6.5 into x meter cube. But volume of the tank is equal to 182 meter cube given. Therefore 8 into 6.5 into x equal to 182 imply 52x equal to 182. So x is equal to 182 by 52. 26 से 2 जा 52 and 26 7 जा 182. 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 meter. This is our answer. Example 4. How many bricks will be required for a wall which is 8 meter long, 6 meter high and 22.5 centimeter thick? Of each brick measures 25 centimeter into 11.25 centimeter into 6 centimeter. Solution: length of the wall is equal to 8 meter equal to 8 into 100 is equal to 800 centimeter. Breadth of the wall equal to 22.5 centimeter. Height of the wall equal to 6 meter equal to 6 into 100 equal to 600 centimeter. So volume of the wall equal to 800 into 22.5 into 600 centimeter cube. Volume of one brick equal to 25 into 11.25 into 6 centimeter cube. So number of bricks required equal to volume of the wall divided by volume of one brick equal to 800 into 22.5 into 600 divided by 25 into 11.25 into 6 equal to 800 into 2250 into 600 by 25 into 1125 into 6. This becomes replacing decimals. So 600 ja 600, 25 4 ja 100 and 1125 2 ja 2250 equal to 6400. This is our answer. Example 5. Find the volume of a cube whose total surface area is 486 centimeter square. Solution. Let the length of each edge of the cube be a centimeter. Then its total surface area is equal to 6a square, but the total surface area of the cube is equal to 486 centimeter square. This is given. So 6a square equal to 486. So a square is equal to 486 by 6 equal to 81. So a is equal to under root 81 equal to 9 centimeter. So volume of the cube equal to a cube equal to 9 into 9 into 9 equal to 729 centimeter cube. Thank you children for watching my video.